In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get answers on Google Forms in a few simple steps. We'll be exploring a straightforward method for accessing the responses you're looking for. Let's get started with the journey into Google Drive and beyond. First, you'll want to head over to Google Drive. This is your starting point for accessing your Google Forms. Once you're in Google Drive, look towards the upper right corner where you'll find the grid icon known as the Apps Launcher. Clicking this will reveal a variety of Google tools, including Google Forms, which is exactly what we're looking for today. Upon clicking on Forms, you'll see a list of all the forms you've created or have access to. Select the specific form you want to get answers from. This will open up the form in a new tab where you can see the questions and the responses people have submitted. Next, we'll be using some built-in browser tools to help us see the answers. Right-click anywhere within the form page. A context menu will appear offering several options. From this menu, click on the Inspect option. This selection will open up the Developer Tools section of your browser, a powerful feature usually used by developers to understand and debug web pages. Within the Developer Tools, it's important to enable a feature called Line Wrap. Enabling Line Wrap will ensure the entire text is visible without horizontal scrolling, making it easier for us to review the answers. Once Line Wrap is enabled, you can hover over different elements that appear in the Developer Tools window. As you hover your cursor over various parts of the form, you will begin to see different pieces of code being highlighted. This is a valuable way to understand the structure of your form and where each component is located. As part of this exploration, you'll notice different strings of text that appear. These strings often include the results or content you're interested in. By carefully examining these strings in the Developer Tools, you'll get a clearer picture of the answers provided in your Google form. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you've learned how to access and understand the information within your Google Forms using a few handy browser tools. It's a neat trick that can save you time and give you the insights you need from your respondents. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process. Be sure to check back for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your Google tools. Until next time, happy form exploring.